The room. Here we looked for marbles that would be a perfect mix of Italy and the world, and would combine assured quality and originality. The first, Statuario Venato, comes in a natural and gloss-honed version, in 120 by 120, 120 by 260, and 60 by 120 centimeter formats, all of which are 6.5 millimeters thick. The finish has a white optical surface with sharply defined veins that look as if they have been drawn with a felt-tip pen. The second is Infinity Brazil. This stone is a black Brazilian quartzite that has distinct graphic elements with a few touches of white to give it depth. The third, Cremo Delicato, is a refined Italian marble. And last but not least, there is San Pedro. This is a marble we bought in Turkey, which ranges in color from grey to dove grey. What makes this marble special is its veining, that varies from dark grey to rust. Unique selling proposition. This product is market-focused with a mix combining assured quality and originality.